In this video, we're going to look at how to update your profile as an owner. Let's get right into it. As always, we're starting from dashboard, and the next step is to go to demo key flooring. That's your team, and then we're gonna go now for the workspace settings. That's all your settings that you need to do with yourself, with your company, with your installers, and so on. We'll break it down into multiple videos, but the first one we need to start with, obviously, with your profile. Your profile, you're the owner. So this is your profile. That's you can update. Let's put I don't know. Let's put a logo here. Upload complete. So now see, you can put your face. You can put whatever. You can put your photo, logo, anyway. So here, where's your name? If you need to change your name, if you need to change your address, if you need like a username, if you don't use your name and last name, and here you change your password. So here you just do your password, and basically you click Save Changes. That's how you change your profile. I think that's clear. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help, and I'll see you at the next one.